students, now I am going to start question number 2 of exercise 9.4. Now question number 2 says find the product. In the first part we have 5 minus 2x multiplied by 3 plus x. Here we will have to multiply the binomials. This is same as question number 1. We will have to take the first number from the first bracket, which is 5, and this should be multiplied by all the term which is present in the second expression. Okay, so it's 3 plus x. Now we will have to take the second number of the first bracket, which is 2x, and with 2x minus sign is present, so we'll write minus 2x, and this 2x should be multiplied by all the terms which is present in the second bracket. Okay, so it's 3 plus x. Now we will multiply this. 5 into 3, it's 15. Then we have plus sign. Then 5 multiplied by x, which is 5x. Now minus 2x will be multiplied by 3. So we'll multiply the number at first. So 3 2s are 6. And with this we have minus signs. We'll write minus 6. And since x is present only one time, so it's minus x. Now plus minus minus will multiply minus 2x by x. So here plus minus minus will write minus sign. Now 2x into x is x square. Okay, now 15 will remain same. We'll just calculate the like terms here. So here x is present and here also x is present. So these two are like term. We'll calculate these two. So plus minus minus. So 6 minus 5 is 1, and we don't write 1x, so we'll write x. And since here 6 is greater than 5 and the sign of 6 is greater here, which is negative, so we'll write minus x, and then minus 2x square. Okay, so the answer of the first part will be 15 minus x minus 2x square. Okay, now coming to second part. In the second part we have x plus 7y will be multiplied by 7x minus y. So we'll take the first number from the first bracket, which is x, and this should be multiplied by whole which is present in the second bracket, which is 7x minus y. Okay, now we'll take the second number from the first bracket, which is 7y, and with 7y, since plus sign is given, so we'll put plus sign, and this should be multiplied by the second expression, which is 7x minus y. Now we will multiply this. So this into this, 7x into x, x square, minus x into y is xy. Now plus 7y multiplied by 7x. We'll just multiply the coefficient at first. So 7 7s are 49, and since it is having plus sign, so we'll write plus 49, and yx means xy. If you multiply yx, it will be yx. So this can be written as xy also, it's same. Okay, now this multiplied by the last term. So 7y multiplied by y is 7y square, as 2y is present. Now this plus and this minus will become minus, plus minus minus. Okay, so we'll write minus here. Okay, now here x square term is not present, so it will remain same. Now we will calculate these two. Now here xy, here also xy, so both are like term. Okay, so plus minus minus, coefficient of xy is 1, so 49 minus 1 is 48, and we'll write the variable xy. Now since 49 is greater than 1, here coefficient is 1, right? So since 49 is greater than 1 and the sign of 49 is positive, so it will be positive. Okay, now since y square term is not present here, so this will remain same, so it will be minus 7y square. So answer of the second part is 7x square plus 48xy minus 7y square. Okay, now coming to the third part. Now in the third part we have a square plus b multiplied by a a plus b square. So we'll take the first number from the first bracket, and then this should be multiplied by the second expression, which is a plus b square. Okay. Now we'll take the second number from the first bracket and we'll consider the sign as well. So it's plus b multiplied by whole expression. Okay, in the whole expression means all the terms which is present in the second expression, so which is a plus b square. Now we will multiply this. So a square into a, here a is 1 and here is 2, so 2 plus 1 3, plus a square into b square is a square b square. Now come to the second part. Here b multiplied by a is ba or ab. Okay, plus b into b square, here is 1 and here is 2, so it will be 3. Okay, so it cannot be simplified further. So answer of the third part will be a cube plus a square b square plus ab plus b cube. Okay, now coming to fourth part. In the fourth part we have p square minus q square will be multiplied by 2p plus q. So we'll take the first term, which is p square, from the first expression, and then this should be multiplied by the second expression, which is 2p plus q. Now we'll take the second number from the first expression, which is q square, and with q square minus sign is present, so we'll put minus sign, and this should be multiplied by the second expression, which is 2p plus q. Okay, now p square multiplied by 2p, so 2, here p is 2 and here p is 1, so it's pq. Now p square multiplied by q is p square q. Okay, now q square multiplied by 2p, it will be 2p q square, and since with q square minus sign is present, so it will be minus. Now this multiplied by this, so this plus and this minus will become minus, plus minus minus, so q square into q, here is 2 and here is 1, so power of q will be 3. So here we can see that all these four terms are unlike terms, so this cannot be simplified further. So answer of the fourth part will be 2p cube plus p square cube minus 2p q square minus q cube. Here one thing you just notice here, these and this are not like term, as power of p is 2 and here power of p is 1, and here power of q is 1 and here power of q is 2. So do not get confused, these are not like term, these are unlike term. Okay, so this was all about question number 2. Thank you, students.